Hey guys, it's me William, and today I'm going to show you how to build a LEGO Ned from Spider-Man Homecoming. So yeah, let's get started. So first, I pulled his hair from the Harry Potter minifigure series, so yeah, you can see that. So right there, and then I used this this Disney face that I kind of got from the LEGO toy shop, but it has been used for a while, and I accidentally did it, kind of did it black, something like that, but I don't care. But yeah, so I'll just take the head off, and then you see his torso. Actually took a red torso, and then painted it a bit red so it can look cool. Then I just got a black and white paint texture. So yeah. So and then I just use Bonnie McFly's hands for Back to the Future, and then I just use black legs. So and then I just draw the details with it. So I don't think, wait, sorry guys, but I don't think this is a good face. But if you know, tell the comments below what face you will find. So yeah, so look up. So yeah, that's Ned Leeds from Spider-Man Homecoming. But I accidentally forgot the Spider-Man mask because in the movie he wears a Spider-Man mask. So yeah, so that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.